Tried everything else, or you just don't know what to try, hey, read this book, The Body Ecology Diet. If you're experiencing discomfort, fatigue, or other symptoms that won't go away no matter what you do or how many doctors you see, chances are you're one of the millions unknowingly suffering from a systematic fungal yeast infection we call the hidden invader, the result of an imbalance starting in your internal ecosystem. This can be a key factor in headaches, joint and muscle pain, depression, cancer, food allergies, digestive problems, autism, and other immune related disorders. The Body Ecology Diet reveals how to restore and maintain the inner ecology your body needs to function properly and eliminate or control the symptoms that rob you of the joy of living. Tens of thousands of people have already benefited from the body ecology way of life. Donna Gates shows you step by step how to eat your way to better health and well being, deliciously, easily, and inexpensively. In this book, you will learn how to use 7 basic universal principles as the tools to gain mastery over every health challenge you may encounter. Focus on your inner ecology to create ideal digestive balance, conquer cravings with strategies for satisfying snacking and for dining away from home, and plan meals with dozens of delectable recipes, an array of menus, and detailed shopping lists.